Imagine a world where the sun stops shining and the wind stops blowing. Yet your home and every hospital, school, and business remain fully powered. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of utility-scale energy storage systems. We will uncover how massive battery installations and pumped storage hydroelectric plants manage renewable power. To understand why we need large-scale energy storage, we must first look at how we generate our electricity today. Traditional power sources like coal, natural gas, and nuclear energy provide a constant, reliable baseline. However, renewable energy sources are entirely dependent on weather conditions. In the global energy mix, renewables have grown significantly, now representing approximately 30% of generation. The transition from fossil fuels to clean energy is one of the most important engineering challenges of our time. Solar and wind power are clean and abundant, but they produce energy intermittently. When the sun sets or the wind stops blowing, energy generation drops instantly. This mismatch creates a massive imbalance in the electrical grid, requiring advanced large-scale storage solutions. The most common form of modern utility-scale energy storage is the lithium-ion battery. These massive, containerized battery banks store large amounts of energy during periods of high solar production. While efficient for short-term balancing, lithium-ion technology faces significant constraints regarding raw materials. Issues like material availability and lifetime degradation over thousands of cycles remain key hurdles. For longer-term or larger-scale energy storage, engineers rely on pumped storage hydroelectricity. This system consists of two large water reservoirs situated at different elevations. When there is excess energy, pumps push water to the upper reservoir. When demand peaks, water flows back down, generating massive amounts of electricity, instantly and reliably. Pumped storage systems account for more than 90% of all utility-scale energy storage capacity worldwide. These systems are incredibly durable and can store gigawatt-hours of energy for extended periods. A well-maintained facility can operate for decades, making it an indispensable part of our current power grid. In addition to wind and solar, engineers have developed alternative systems, including ocean wave and tidal power. These systems capture the immense kinetic energy of ocean waves or the predictable movement of tides. While currently a small fraction of the mix, the technology holds great promise due to its high consistency. Another highly reliable alternative is geothermal energy. By extracting heat from deep beneath the crust, geothermal plants provide a constant baseload of clean electricity. However, their geographic availability is limited to regions with specific geological characteristics and active tectonic zones. Despite the benefits, pumped storage systems carry significant ecological impacts that are often overlooked. Pumping warmer water into high alpine reservoirs disrupts the delicate thermal balance of the environment. This change in temperature contributes to the melting of mountain glaciers and snowpacks over time, contributing to a global reduction in ice volume. Constructing large reservoirs also requires flooding expansive tracts of land, destroying local ecosystems. These projects displace wildlife, fragment natural habitats, and can disrupt fish migration patterns. Because of these severe ecological consequences, conservation groups and local communities frequently protest against the development of new pumped storage projects in pristine natural areas. Social opposition to large-scale energy storage projects has grown rapidly in many regions. Communities protest against the loss of their lands and the destruction of cultural heritage sites. Furthermore, mining for battery materials faces resistance due to water pollution and the exploitation of natural resources in developing countries. Despite these protests, public support for the overall transition to renewable energy remains very strong. Polls indicate that more than 70% of people worldwide support the expansion of clean energy and battery storage infrastructure. Support increases when projects are developed with local community ownership, create local jobs, and provide direct financial benefits to the municipalities hosting the infrastructure. To overcome the limitations of standard chemical batteries, researchers are developing alternative energy storage technologies. One of the most promising is the flow battery. Flow batteries store energy in liquid electrolytes contained in external tanks, allowing the capacity and power output to be scaled independently. Another innovative alternative is thermal energy storage. These systems use molten salt or high-temperature concrete to store surplus energy as heat. When electricity is needed, the heat is extracted to generate steam and power turbines. Thermal storage is especially effective when paired with concentrated solar power plants, allowing them to continue generating electricity long after the sun has set. During periods of excess power generation, electricity is used to compress air and store it in large, underground geological caverns. When power is required, the compressed air is heated and expanded through a turbine. Throughout history, several promising technologies have failed to achieve commercial success. One notable example was the early design of vertical axis wind turbines. While they were designed to capture wind from any direction without turning, these turbines suffered from severe structural vibrations and low efficiency. Another project that struggled to scale was large-scale energy storage utilizing flywheels. Flywheels store kinetic energy by spinning a heavy rotor at extremely high speeds. While excellent for short, high-power bursts, maintaining a vacuum-sealed environment and preventing material failure at high speeds proved too costly for utility companies. The transition to new energy technologies has also seen catastrophic failures. In recent years, several large lithium-ion battery facilities have experienced thermal runaway, leading to explosions and toxic chemical fires. The renewable sector has also witnessed severe infrastructure collapses. In 1975, the Bangchao Reservoir Dam in China suffered a catastrophic failure during an extreme typhoon, leading to massive flooding and the loss of thousands of lives. To prevent future disasters, modern utility companies use advanced artificial intelligence and monitoring systems to track energy networks. These systems monitor every single cell in a battery bank and every cubic meter of water in a reservoir, adjusting flow and temperature in real time. Looking ahead, the integration of smart grids and distributed resources will transform energy management. Instead of relying solely on massive, centralized power plants, the future grid will consist of millions of connected devices. One of the most promising long-term solutions is the production of green hydrogen. During periods of high renewable energy production, water is split into hydrogen and oxygen using an electrolyzer. Green hydrogen represents a major leap forward for global energy independence. By converting clean energy into a stable chemical fuel, nations can import and export power, just like they do with oil and gas today. This innovation will help decarbonize sectors that are difficult to electrify, such as shipping, aviation, and heavy manufacturing. Renewables are expected to exceed 50% of the global generation mix within the next decade. Furthermore, artificial intelligence helps to optimize the flow of power across various grids. When solar farms produce more energy than required during the afternoon, systems automatically route that power to pump storage, batteries, or even industrial manufacturing plants. Vehicle-to-grid technology also offers immense potential for the coming years. Millions of electric vehicles parked across our cities can act as distributed energy storage units. High-voltage direct current lines are essential for transporting electricity over long distances. The economics of renewable energy have completely shifted in favor of clean power. Over the last 20 years, the cost of generating power from solar and wind has dropped by more than 80%, making it cheaper than building new coal or gas plants. Local microgrids are another critical development in modern power distribution. These localized systems integrate renewable generation with battery storage and smart controls, allowing neighborhoods or campuses to operate independently during major grid failures. Smart home energy management systems empower consumers to take an active role in consumption. Nuclear energy continues to play an important role in the global baseload strategy. Advanced modular reactors provide a reliable, carbon-free source of energy that complements intermittent renewables. Industrial decarbonization requires vast amounts of reliable, clean power for heavy manufacturing. Geological storage plays an essential role in keeping large energy reserves for seasonal variations. In addition to short-term battery storage, countries rely on salt caverns and depleted reservoirs to store massive amounts of clean fuels. International cooperation is vital for the success of the global energy transition. By linking national grids through high-voltage transmission lines, countries can balance their energy production and consumption on a continental scale. Offshore wind power continues to expand rapidly, with massive turbines generating gigawatts of clean electricity. These projects capture stronger and more consistent winds than their onshore counterparts. Technological innovation continues to reduce the cost of renewable installation and maintenance. Automated systems, including robotic cleaners and drone inspections, ensure that solar and wind farms operate at peak efficiency, with minimal human intervention. The transition to a sustainable energy system represents an incredible economic opportunity. It will create millions of new jobs in manufacturing, engineering, and infrastructure development, while significantly improving public health by reducing air pollution. The investments we make today will secure a clean and prosperous future for generations to come. As we look to the future, the fields of astrophysics, cosmology, and molecular biology hold the key to answering some of the most profound questions about our existence and the natural forces that power the cosmos. The pursuit of knowledge remains our greatest endeavor, driving innovation and inspiring scientists as they explore the unknown corners of our universe. It is truly incredible to think about how far we have come in our quest to harness and store the immense power of nature. From pumped storage lakes in the mountains to the high-tech batteries of the future, human ingenuity continues to overcome the challenges of the energy transition. We are building a sustainable world that will provide clean, reliable electricity for generations to come. Thank you so much for joining us on this fascinating journey through the world of utility-scale energy storage and renewable power. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more stories about technology and infrastructure, please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.